Welcome back to Destination Jamaica. It's a wonderful day in Jam Rock. Things are perfect, but we give thanks. Now, today we're going to start our features on 25 Jamaicans and their great achievements. You know, we love to say in Jamaica that we're little, but we talawa. We're a small country with a big impact around the world, right? So we're gonna start with the women. We're gonna start with these beautiful, phenomenal, smart, talented women who have contributed so much to our culture and world. First up, we have Grace Beverly Jones. Grace Jones is a model, singer, songwriter, and actress. She was born May 19, 1948. She began her modeling career when her family migrated from Jamaica to Syracuse, New York, at the age of 13. With her sculpted cheekbones and awesome features, she influenced the cross-dressing movement of the 1980s and is an inspiration for artists such as Annie Lennox, Lady Gaga, Rihanna, Solange, and Lloyd, to name a few. She has worked for fashion houses such as Kenzo and graced the covers of Elle and Vogue fashion magazines. Her breakthrough role was in film in 1984, where she appeared as Zula in Conan the Destroyer. Big up Grace Jones. Next up, we have Merlene Ottey. She is one of Jamaican forerunners in the track and field arena. She is the first Jamaican female Olympic medalist. She garnered several Olympic medals on behalf of Jamaica. She was born on May 10, 1960, and she was encouraged by her family to become an athlete. She has 3 silvers, 6 bronze medals in total, 3 of which she earned at the age of 36 at the 1996 Olympics in Atlanta. She has been elected for Jamaica's Athlete of the Year 15 times. And of course, we have Shelly-Ann Fraser. So Shelly hails from the inner city in Kingston. She is known as a Jamaican track and field athlete. She won the 100-meter gold medal in 2 consecutive Olympics. The first being in Beijing in 2008 and the second in 2012 in London. She was born on December 27, 1986, and she is, just about 5 feet 3 inches. She is small but has great speed as she set a personal best records of under 11 seconds, which earned her the nickname Pocket Rocket. She has won both the 100-meter and 200-meter in 2013 World Championship, becoming the third woman in history to claim double sprint titles. She has also won gold when she anchored the 4x100-meter relay at the same championship. Okay, big up Merlene and big up Shelly. And we're going to do Madge Sinclair. Now, Madge was born in Kingston, Jamaica, and she's a renowned actress who shot to fame in the United States. She started in her 30s when she left Kingston, Jamaica, and she acted with the New York Shakespearean Festival at the Joseph Pabst Public Theater. Her film debut was in Conrock, 1974, as Mrs. Scott. She went on to win an Emmy nomination for her role as Belle in the 1977 TV miniseries Roots. She later did 6 years on the TV medical drama Trapper John, MD, as Nurse Ernestine from 1980 to 1986. In 1986, she played Eddie Murphy's royal mother opposite James Earl in the film Coming to America. Her final role was the voice of the Lion Queen in Disney's The Lion King, 1994. Sadly, she died from leukemia in 1995 at the age of 57. Thank you so much, Merge, for all you've contributed. Now, all phenomenal women. We're so proud of them. We're so proud that they're Jamaicans and they continue to promote our national symbolism of being a small country, but very big impact. So we're going to continue next week. We're going to talk about the ladies some more, and then we're going to move on to the men, probably some kids. We'll see. So that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe, comment. Help us get to 1,000 followers so that we can keep doing even more of this content. Travel, informational content, interviews, even food vlogs, right? With your subscription. The more people that subscribe, the more we'll be able to get more from what we're doing, whether it be resources, tools, traveling to the different places, and being able to speak to as many people as possible. And we would love your feedback. Please remember to check out our Etsy store. The link is down below. Thank you so much. Bless up, stay upful, and enough love and success to you all. Bye.